Hi guys, we're back with another video, and today we're going to show you how to make potato chips in your microwave. There's no baking required, there's no frying required. It's a very easy process. Just make sure you watch the entire video because there are a couple of really important tips that you don't want to miss. Now you could use your knife to slice the potato, but for this video we're going to use our slicer because it's a lot faster. Alright, let's get started. Tip number one, you want to make sure that you completely dry the potato. There's a lot of starch coming out of it, so make sure that both sides of your potatoes are completely dry. Dry the potato slices, all you have to do is just oil your plate. You could either use a spray oil, like a cooking spray, or you could use regular oil. Just make sure that you cover the entire plate, including all the edges. Number two, which is for your seasoning. We're using sea salt to season the potato chips. Just make sure that you don't season a lot, because once the potato chips, when they start to dry up, the salt, the seasoning, they become concentrated because the potato chips, it shrinks in size. So, don't go too heavy on your seasoning.